The next Blast multiplier just dropped, and it is for GambleFi. You can see right here the next 2x multiplier that's going to multiply all of your Blast points that you currently have and all of the future forward points that you get per hour. This is another 2x multiplier you don't want to miss out on, so definitely go and get this as soon as you possibly can. If you're brand new to Blast and you haven't joined the airdrop yet, go to blast.maxcrypto.com. You have about 40 days left to get in on this airdrop, and I think you do not want to miss it. So check it out and join up if you haven't already. But for those of you who are watching this, you probably have already joined. So we're going to go ahead and click Earn Multiplier here, and you're going to see that you need to use a dApp that is GambleFi. Currently, there are only two that are qualified, YOLO Games and Decentral Games. I thought this site, insert.fun, would be qualified because it is GambleFi, and we talked about this one in previous videos, but it seems like they haven't added it to the eligible list yet. But for this video, we're gonna go ahead and use YOLO Games. They have a lot of gold left to give out, so we might as well try to farm some gold while we're actually getting this multiplier completed. I'll leave a link for YOLO Games down below. So on YOLO Games, there are a couple games you can play. There is YOLO, YOLO Limited, Poke the Bear, and Moon or Doom. YOLO is the one we're going to play today, and it's basically you put an amount of money in that you want to. You can see all the people playing right here, and it's just a big pie chart. It's going to spin around in a wheel, and if it lands on your chunk, you win the entire pot. So that's pretty fun. It's like a big wheel, but obviously the more money you put in, the bigger chunk you get and the more likelihood you have of winning. Some of these people have really, really small chunks. They're putting very, very small amounts of money in 0.001 ETH, which as of right now is about $3 worth, and you could potentially win almost a full ETH, which is almost $3,000. So if you happen to win that very, very small chance, then good for you, but usually the bigger chunks will win. So they have a limited version right here, which allows you to put in that $3 minimum, or you can play the full version here, which allows you to put in a bit more. Poke the Bear is pretty simple. You're gonna poke this sleeping bear and hope that it doesn't wake up and try to win. Not gonna play that one. Moon or Doom is another fun game. It's guessing in the next minute if Ethereum or Bitcoin will go up or down in price. If you guess correctly, you basically 2x your payout. If you guess wrong, you lose your money. So let's show you how to go and play this and put the absolute minimum amount in to qualify for the 2x multiplier. What you'll do is, again, click the link down below to join YOLO Games, sign in with your wallet, and then you're gonna go and click Enter Now. You'll have to accept the rules, then you can go and actually place your bid. So again, you can do the smallest amount, which is $3. This is going to be about $30, and 0.1 ETH will be about $300, assuming that ETH is worth around 3,000 as of making this video. So we'll go ahead and do 0.001, which again is $3. We'll click Add Selection. You will have to sign a transaction on your wallet to confirm your entry. And there we go. We are in. We can view our entry right here. You can see we're going to get 120 points. We have a 0.26 chance of winning. Very, very small. I'm not even sure where we are on this list. U is here. So this is our chunk right here, this little one right here. So we got to hope that little pink chunk wins. That would be fantastic. Super, super, super unlikely. Again, it's 0.25% chance of winning. So like 1 in 400 chance of winning, basically. But this should qualify us for the 2x multiplier. It might take a couple minutes. We can actually go back after this is done and check to see if it qualified. All right, so here we go. There's 47 players. There's a 0.71 ETH prize pool. So if we won, we'd win a ton more than what we put in. It's not going to happen, but let's see what we get. I imagine that I'm gonna take a guess that Sadie right here, pink. I think the pink one's going to win. That's my guess. Ooh, it's just past it. Okay. Well, green won. Pranksy. I think Pranksy won. Yep, Pranksy won. What do you know? Of course, the legend, the OG. Anyway, it seems like putting in more money is obviously the way to play this because it's very unlikely. I haven't seen a single one of those small slivers win yet, which makes sense. It's very unlikely to happen, but that alone, the $3 we just entered there, should qualify us for this multiplier. Okay, there we go. We got the 2x multiplier for GambleFi. As you saw, it only took $3. That's the cheapest I think you could possibly do it, and it does take about 5 minutes to do. So there you go. Get that multiplier because the sooner you do, the sooner you're going to have double the points you get per hour and double your total points. So you want to make sure you get in on that as soon as you possibly can. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more content and go check out this video if you haven't yet. You don't want to miss it. This has all of the juice about Blast. If you don't know or want to get more farming in, this is the one to watch.